my presentation video for English 5, titled Tell Me About Yourself. Hi, my name is Adriana Avila. I have 29 years old. I have been married for the last 4 years and 6 months, and I am currently living in Ecuador. I am studying psychology, and this is the last subject I must pass in order to obtain my degree. The social community psychology and educational psychology internships are my favorite subject because I can put into practice what I learned during my years of study. I define myself as a loyal, friendly, and patient person. The TV shows are The Big Bang Theory and Criminal Minds. The first series I like because it uses intelligent comedy and it is an homage to the scientific community. And the second series I like because it is based in the construction of psychological profiles in order to capture criminals. My expectation for the subject are to learn to speak the language more fluently and faster, and to improve my pronunciation. I think this course is about the types of formal communication in English and the tools necessary to start professional work. That is all. Thank you.